Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have a quick unboxing. This time, watch I saw on Judy's channel. Shout out to Judy, one more watch. And I have to say, I liked what I saw. It was really affordable, like 45 euros. And I thought it'd make a great present for my father. I'm going back home for my vacation time, and I always tend to get a watch or two to give as presents. And I thought this one would be really nice because he has a big wrist and he likes these kind of watches. So very poor packaging, but for this price, I don't mind it at all. Here we go. We have the Corgeut Flieger 42 millimeters with the ST3600 hand wind movement. I'll show you what you get for the 45 euros. First off, you get a leather strap that I think I'd upgrade for my dad because this one is not that nice. Just looks nice from the front, but from the back it's just horrible, I think. So let me take all this packaging off. So you have this hand wind movement. I'm trying a new lighting, but it seems it's not working so well as I wanted. So you get this pink cloth with the watch, which is quite not fitting, to be honest. So what do you get? You get a 42 millimeters in diameter Flieger stainless steel case with 52 lug to lug and around 12 millimeter lug width. I think that's a 22 millimeter straps. You get a ST3600 hand wind movement, which winds very smoothly. Let me doesn't look bad at all, the movement, I have to say. For the money you're paying, it's not bad at all. You get sapphire glass at the front. They didn't write in the back if it's sapphire, but I think it's plexi to save up on cost. A screw down case back with a watch water resistance of 30 meters. So basically hand washing. Hands move quite good. You have this placement of the seconds hands between the 8 and the 10. And the best thing about the Flieger should be the Lume. So let's check out the Lume. Should have abundant Lume. As you can see, it has the Type A, I think, Type A Flieger, with enough Lume also to keep it a couple of hours after you go inside. You have brushed profile on the side, very smudgy watch. I don't know why, but it smudges very easily. You have an onion crown, which is a traditional crown for Fliegers like that. And if you want to see it on my wrist, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, so 6.69 inches wrist. And I think it's just might do with a NATO, but with this strap, no, I don't think so. I'll take it off the strap and put it on another strap anyways to give it to my dad and give him the strap with it if he wants. But I guess it's not the best strap feel wise. From the front it looks like good leather, but from the back you definitely feel the quality. But yeah, they have to save money on something. It's better to save it on the strap than on the case or the movement, because I can change the strap. I can actually change the movement, but then why did I buy the watch if I have to change this. Very nice Unitas clone from Seagull. That's the 3600. I think it's a really great watch for that money. Like if you want to get a gift for somebody that you think that enjoys Flieger watches, I think this one is really, really nice. I bought it for myself. Actually, I bought it for my dad, but I thought I'd show everybody first before upgrading it with a strap and putting it back to gift it to him. So as you can see, if I put it on a nice strap like this shark leather strap, it would look, I think, conform more on my wrist. As you can see, it does look quite nice. I'll just pack it like that and tell him he has an extra strap with it. So if he doesn't like the red on the black, which I think it's a nice combination, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this combination. Especially he does have a lot of bracelet watches and but not so much leather strap, so I guess giving him a shark leather would be a nice yeah, nice way to wear the watch, in my opinion at least. But yeah, let me know in the comment section. And as always, here's the button to subscribe and 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.